issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County and east central Kentucky, Bath County in east central Kentucky, central Fleming County in east central Kentucky, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Cynthiana to 7 miles northwest of Carlisle to near Seaview, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Flemingsburg, Owensville, Marshall, Sharpsburg, Salt Lake, Fairview, Peck's Ridge, Raymondville, Wyoming, Seaview, P-Sticks, and Moore's Ferry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official national...
Yes! First alert on the EAR-10, and it could not have performed better. Very clear reception, and went off first before any other radio. Yes!